This section covers the fundamentals of working with variables and declarations. It includes variables, which store data in memory, and constants, which hold fixed values that cannot be changed. Implicitly typed local variables allow type inference, while reference variables provide a way to reference existing values instead of creating copies. The section also explains types, which define what kind of data an identifier can hold. Additionally, it covers blocks, which group statements together, as well as declarations and multiple declarations, showing how variables can be defined and initialized efficiently.